Lockheed Martin is upgrading its laser weapon system from 300 kilowatts to 500 kilowatts under a contract from the Office of the Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering, OUSD R&D. Laser weapons have been of interest to the military due to their speed of light interception and low operating cost. The High Energy Laser Scaling Initiative, HELSI, aims to enhance Lockheed's solid-state laser weapons output to 500 kilowatts for tackling larger and more agile threats. The laser system uses neodymium yttrium aluminum garnet-doped optical fiber coils, along with target and beacon illuminator lasers linked to a battle management system, increasing power while maintaining beam quality, beam spectrum combination, and adhering to DoD standards for interoperability and integration is a challenge. Lockheed Martin's investments anticipate DoD's demand for laser weapons with protection layers, deep magazines, low engagement costs, high-speed delivery, and precision response. The 500 kilowatts laser system builds on successes and lessons from the 300 kilowatts system in previous programs, enhancing defensive capabilities against various threats. Longshot, a startup, plans to develop a unique approach to cheap orbital launches using a 6-mile-long multi-stage pneumatic accelerating cannon. The proposed cannon aims to achieve hypersonic muzzle velocities over Mach 30, launching payloads into orbit from the ground. The concept is based on using compressed air to propel projectiles, with a focus on the geometry of the projectile's tail to achieve high speeds. The goal is to significantly reduce launch costs, targeting a price of $10 per kilogram for sending payloads into space. Longshot's approach draws inspiration from historical multi-stage projectile accelerating ideas, such as the V3 cannon developed by Nazi Germany. The company acknowledges challenges in terms of infrastructure, noise, and design to withstand extreme forces and conditions during launch. Longshot is also exploring potential applications in hypersonic vehicle testing. The project has garnered pre-seed funding from backers including Sam Altman of OpenAI. While the concept is ambitious, it remains to be seen whether Longshot's approach will prove successful in revolutionizing space launch technology. Belgian company EurekAlert has developed the Quidvelo, a single-seater velomobile that combines features of a car and an e-bike. The Quidvelo features a powder-coated aluminum alloy frame with a fiberglass body and optional removable doors. It is equipped with 4 20-inch wheels, front and rear brakes, coil spring shocks, and elastomer shocks for a smooth ride. The drivetrain includes a Sachs RS 925 motor to assist pedaling, providing a top electric assisted speed of 25 km per hour, 16 miles per hour. The vehicle is powered by a 48 V17 lithium battery, offering a range of up to 75 kilometers. 47 miles, on a single charge. Additional features include a touchscreen display, adjustable mesh seat, lighting system, and dual side mirrors. The Quidvelo is legally allowed in bike lanes in areas off-limits to cars. The starting price for the Quidvelo is €9,900, about US $10,829, available in EU countries only. Canon has developed a commercial video camera called the MS500, that incorporates its ultra-sensitive single-photon avalanche diode (SPAD) sensor technology. SPAD sensors count individual photons and record their precise arrival time, making them highly sensitive in low light conditions. The camera can shoot color video in extremely low light conditions, including moonless nights, with exceptional sensitivity. The SPAD sensor has a resolution higher than 1080p and can capture video in illumination levels as low as 0.001 lux. The camera is compatible with a range of broadcast lenses, including a 45x zoom lens, allowing filming subjects several tens of kilometers away. The MS500 camera is priced at $25,200 and targets high-security areas that require precise day and night monitoring, such as seaports and national borders. The SPAD sensor technology has potential applications in medical imaging, 3D capture, VR Arkansas, and autonomous vehicles. While the technology is promising, Canon has yet to release sample video footage showcasing the camera's capabilities. Scientists in Japan have developed a reversible adhesive that can stick and unstick on command. The adhesive contains caffeic acid, which forms and breaks cross-links under specific wavelengths of light. When exposed to UV light with a wavelength of 365 nm, the adhesive cures into a strong film with shear adhesion strength of up to 7.2 MPa. The adhesive can be returned to its original state by exposing it to 254 nm UV light, allowing for reuse without leaving residue. It successfully passed tests including bending, holding a 40 kg weight for 72 hours, repairing cracked tubes, and resisting high-pressure water and underwater conditions. Magnetic nanoparticles were added for underwater use, allowing the adhesive to fuse to a substrate when heated by a magnetic field. The material's applications include easy dismantling of products for recycling and converting into new items. Indiana startup Newr is developing a lithium-powered self-contained induction cooker called the Chef for portable cooking in various scenarios. The Chef relies on an integrated lithium-ion battery and has an 11-inch cooking surface. Two chefs can be paired together to create a dual-burner stove setup. It can boil 6 cups of water in over 3 minutes and reach temperatures up to 665 degrees Fahrenheit, 352 degrees centigrade. App-based operation with voice control, recipes, ingredient measuring scale, and timer integration for easy cooking. Induction cooking advantages include safety, rapid heating, precise temperature control, even cooking, and easy cleaning. Newr plans to have a beta model Chef ready by the end of the year, with pricing yet to be disclosed. Researchers from Université Libre de Bruxelles in Belgium developed a monoclonal antibody drug called NP137, targeting the process of epithelial to mesenchymal transition, EMT, which is responsible for the spread of cancer cells in the body. EMT is linked to metastasis and resistance to cancer treatments like chemotherapy. NP137 specifically targets the interaction between netrin-1, a protein overexpressed in many cancers, and its receptor UNC5B, inhibiting EMT. Clinical trials on mouse models of endometrial cancer showed reduced tumor development, increased survival, and decreased EMT-related genes with NP137 treatment. Human clinical trials involving 14 patients with advanced endometrial cancer showed a reduction in target lesions and stable disease with NP137 treatment. Biopsies reveal decreased EMT after NP137 administration, and the drug was well tolerated with no toxicity. The ongoing NP137 trial aims to assess its efficacy and potential use in treating other cancers with EMT. The researchers hope to determine if NP137 can enhance the clinical response to chemotherapy and immunotherapy. The study was published in the journal Nature. Czech mobility company Katanga has developed the VM45, a four-wheeled velomobile with a top electric assist speed of 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour. Velomobiles are recumbent tricycles covered in an aerodynamic shell, providing speed, cargo space, and weather protection. The VM45's body is made of composite material, with a lockable hatch providing cockpit access, and a rear hatch for cargo. It features a 7-speed, 750-watt Valeo motor gearbox that can reach speeds of 45 km per hour, powered by a 48 V1240 Wh lithium-ion battery. Front and rear shocks, drum and disc brakes, and a full lighting system are included in the design. The VM45 is considered a light on-road quad in Europe, and its homologation process may take a year. Potential options include a model with a 250-watt motor and a slower speed, or a non-motorized version. Pricing estimates range from €11,000, $12,108, for the non-motorized model to €13,000, $14,310, for the motorized version. MIT researchers have developed a new energy-storing supercapacitor using cement, carbon black, and water. The concrete self-assembles into conductive electrodes during the curing process, eliminating the need for mesh electrodes. The process takes advantage of water-cement reactions and creates fractal-like structures in the concrete, forming large surface area carbon electrodes. The concrete supercapacitor has potential applications in powering homes, fast-charging electric cars, and creating quick wireless EV charging roads. The energy-storing concrete could be paired with solar panels and inductive charging coils for grid-based energy storage facilities.